and welcome back to my channel. So today's video could go either way. I decided to go to Hot Topic and I grabbed this palette. So I am the biggest Mulan fan, so when I saw this palette, I wanted to make a look out of it, and 2, wanted to bring honor to this palette. Mind you, this palette did come from Hot Topic, so I don't know how hot this palette is gonna be, but we are gonna find out together. So let's see if we can impress the local matchmaker. So the inside of the packaging is done really nicely as well. On the inside, it definitely looks like the intro to the movie, which I think is a cute touch. We have a little Mushu peeking out in the corner and a little poem to tell ourselves in the mirror. The flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. So let's just talk about the palette now. It's separated very nicely. It has its warm tones on one side and cool tones on the other. It's very aesthetically pleasing to the eye. It's cute to look at. But the issue is that there are only 4 matte shades, which, how am I supposed to make a look with only 4 matte shades and one of them is white? I can't make one that's cute, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. And then the rest of the shades are just glitter and shimmer. They're very pretty, but I cannot make a look when the matte to glitter ratio is so off. And the other issue I'm having is that they gave me only this little bamboo stick as a brush. Like, imagine I don't have any other brushes and this is what you give me. Like, I don't need that. I don't want that. We cannot save China with this palette. But we're gonna try. If Mulan can do it, I can do it. So let's get into this review. So the look I'm trying to go for is the look that she's going in with to the matchmaker, the blue eyeshadow look with the purple undertones. I'm feeling it, I'm vibing with it, let's do it. All right, so the first shade we're gonna go in with is Family Honor. We're going to pack this bone white shade into the lid, see if we can get some pigment. There's not a lot of fallout, good news. Okay. It's white, I'm not impressed, but like, hello. It's blending really nicely. Again, it's a white shade, I don't know what else to expect, but like, I'm not mad. We're just gonna pack it in so we can like see if anything will blend, you know? You know how it is. Okay, that is on. So our next shade, I think I'm gonna go in with Lucky Cricket and start putting that into the crease. All right, I'm gonna put Lucky Cricket into, ooh, that's a lot of fallout. Pigment is there, but it's kind of, anytime I'm touching it, it bounces off. I'm not mad, just an observation. We're gonna put that right into the crease. Okay, it's a lot lighter than I expected. Sorry I didn't do my eyebrows. Didn't think about it, but that's not why you're here. It's blending pretty nicely, actually. It's getting caught on the hair, which is gross, but like whatever. And we're just gonna keep blending that into the crease in windshield, wind wiper. The wiper motion. You know which one I'm talking about. That actually didn't come out as bad as I expected it to. Like 3 out of 5 Mushus. Okay, so that is blended out. There's no harsh lines. I think I'm gonna soften out the outer V. But besides that, I'm not mad. Maybe they did know what they were doing with the 4 matte shades. Maybe I'm just wrong. Okay, our next shade is going to be Dishonor on Your Cow. It's like the best name for a shade ever. I love that. Dishonor on you, dishonor on your cow, dishonor on your whole family. Mushu says it best. Okay, again, these have a lot of fallout, and I'm not mad if they have fallout as long as there's pigment payoff, you know? Like, you can have as much fallout as you want, but as long as I'm getting that color on my eye, then it's fine. We're gonna go into that with the crease again, just to darken it up. So when I'm layering, which the palette literally in the back says that you should be layering for a more dramatic look, it is becoming more patchy, which I do not like. And also it's turning purple. I put a blue on top. This is patchier than the other shade, but maybe we can fix it. Maybe it's salvageable. Work with me here. Come on. Do not let me down. If I blend it into oblivion, it's fine. Okay, I think I might be a little too harsh on this. Okay, end result is a cute dark navy blue, which is what we were going for in the first place. So I'm not bad. This is it started out rough, but once you blended it all in, it comes in nicely. The pigment is pretty good, and the blendability, even though it takes a little while, it does create a nice look. 3 out of 5 Moo shoes. We're gonna start cutting the crease now, and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape to cut the lid. We're gonna be doing a spotlight cut crease. And I'm gonna flake it off to the sides just so it's easier to blend in with the other colors. So for this cut crease, I'm going to be putting Great Stone Dragon in the middle now. Also, some of these names are so long. Great Stone Dragon. That doesn't roll off the tongue. Oh my gosh! Okay. Hello. I gave so much crap about these shimmer shades, but they're really pretty. They did really good. They're not doing me dirty. Hello. How are you? This is like a really cute, like icy blue. I'm loving it. It looks exactly like the stone dragons. Like her ancestor stones, you know? I just expect everyone to be like a Mulan fan. I'm like, you know, you watch the movie every day, you know. Okay, so we started flaking that in, and we're gonna be going in again with Dishonor Your Cow to blend that in together. So I've gone in and blended the Great Stone Dragon with the Dishonor on Your Cow, which are just way too long to say out loud. Like, we need to shorten that. GSD and DOYC have been blended. I'm like liking this look a lot. I think this is so cute. Okay guys, so Great Stone Dragon, 5 out of 5 Moo shoes. I am loving this icy blue look. I feel like Elsa. Wrong Disney princess, still feeling great. Okay, so what I want to go and do next is add a highlighter shade into the inner corner, which I am going to use Reflection. And let it be known, Reflection was my jam. I loved Reflection. I would look into my reflection, channeling my inner Christina Aguilera, and sing that song so hard. I was a freaking powerhouse. Oh, I cussed. Oh no. Ooh, so pretty. Hello. This is so cute. I love this. So I'm going to be taking Lucky Cricket, and I'm going to be putting that on the, what's that part that I called? The bottom lash, yes. Pack that in. Okay, I started off kind of rough with this palette. I was not giving it some nice reviews, but I really like it. I'm like kind of living for it. It's real cute. They knew what they were doing. I didn't know what they were doing, but they did. Next in, we're going with Dishonor on Your Cow, better known as DOYC. We're really smoking it out. I'm gonna get Lee Shang to buy me drinks tonight. So to finish this look up, I'm going to add a wing liner, and that is it. For my liner, I am going to be using the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. We're gonna cut these huns. Alright, so that is the finished eye look. I'm gonna be doing the same thing to the other eye and doing the lashes off camera. So we are all done with the eyes. I went in with my lashes by Eylure Marquise, and now we are gonna go into the lips. So in the look that we're trying to recreate, she has a really bold red lip. I'm gonna do the same thing, but a little bit more glossy. So this is the completed look, and I am so happy with it. I definitely expected this to go the other way and hate this palette. I just didn't give it a chance, but I really like it. It turned out so well, and this palette definitely gets 4 out of 5 Moo shoes. Only 4 out of 5 just because of the matte to shimmer ratio. You can't use this for an everyday look, but for some special occasions, if you're channeling your inner warrior, like, go for it. I am definitely gonna be getting a date with Lee Shang tonight, so that's all I asked for. As always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and let me know in the comments who your favorite Disney princess is. I will see you next time.